Hi, this is Dr. Sandy Queen with Queen Homeschool Supplies, and I'm here today with Gus, our French Bulldog, going to do a flip through for you of our math facts for copywork in the thematic copywork lessons. We do not have a sample of this particular book on our website at queenhomeschool.com, mainly because it's so full of different types of lessons that it's hard to give an adequate small sample that just gives you the overview. So instead I decided I would do a flip through video of it. So go ahead and give me a like and comment if you like to, and give us a subscribe, and you'll be sure to be notified every time we add a new video. I'm going to be adding a lot of flip through videos by customer request. So this one here is on our math facts for copywork, and this is a book that can be used over multiple years for any age with a child who is learning their math facts or has struggled for a long time over their math facts. And so what you're going to see, it's a very, very simple setup. In each of our copywork books, we have an introduction page that tells you about copywork and how to implement this particular book. So that's what you see here, okay? And here we go. So first we're starting out with addition facts. And you'll see that all the lessons are lesson 5, lesson 6 are all laid out very systematically like that. And so we have the addition facts first. We have the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, the 6s, 7s, 8s. Okay, so they're all according to groups of numbers. So the child will copy one set of these each day until they have that set memorized. This is different than our other copywork books where they have a different lesson each day. For this one, we're working on memorizing the math facts. So let's say they're struggling with the 6, adding 6 to a number of facts. They're going to copy that same set into a separate notebook each day until they have it memorized. Right, Gus? Okay, and so these are all the addition facts here. Okay, here we have some different addition rules. When adding 0 to a number, the number stays the same. Okay, so then they have multiple days here where they're working on, or multiple lessons here where they're working on those sorts of facts. Okay, now they're adding 1 to a number, adding a number to 1. Okay, so these are just all different sets of systematic addition facts. Now we're moving into the section on subtraction, where they have subtracting from 2, subtracting from 3, subtracting from 4, and so on. So again, they're working on the same set of facts each day until they have that particular set memorized, and then they would move on to the next set. Okay, so when you subtract from 0 from any number, the first number stays the same. Subtracting to get 1, subtracting to get 2, subtracting to get 3. So that's, they're set up very systematically like that in different groups of facts. Okay, subtracting doubles. Now we're moving into multiplication. So again, this is not something that they're going to do the whole book in 1 year, because obviously they're not going to be learning addition facts the same year as they're learning multiplication facts, unless you have an older child who's just struggling or reviewing the facts. In that case, they may get through this book in 1 year. Okay, so they're going to go through multiple different multiple lessons on multiplying here. The sum of any number multiplied by 2 equals double the number itself. So that's what that lesson is. So these are all set up, again, very systematically. Now we're getting into division. So it goes from addition all the way through subtraction, multiplication, and division facts. So I hope this gives you a good overview of how this book is set up, how it differs from the other books in our copywork series. But that is our math facts for copywork. You can find it in the language arts section, actually, under copywork, and you can also find it under the math section of our website, which just has additional math resources since we do not publish a math curriculum. But hopefully that helps you to understand what our math facts for copywork book is all about. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you give me a like and comment if you've used this book, or if you have any questions about it, you can find it on our website at queenhomeschool.com. Thanks for watching.